Just use the rest of the can. Yeah, just take a nice whiff of that wheel well, dude. It's strong, huh?
Holy shiz, dude.
Like that, we got everything covered except for the caliper. So we just gotta spray it. I'm gonna prep the other side while it cools down still, and then we'll spray it. All right, we got Russ over here with the. It's like a medicine bottle. He's got these roughed up a little bit. Yeah. See all this? Oh, you gotta get the freaking depths of this. You want the paint to stick to everything. Yeah, look at the front of your car. So Russell's car, he painted the front of it, but it all chipped off because he didn't do this. Isn't that right, huh?
I think I'm gonna go home now.
You can't. There's no wheels on the car.
I think I'm gonna walk home now. Mommy? Wait.
Wait, Mommy?
Wait.
Sorry. What?
Mommy?
Mommy?
Sorry. Mommy? No. Sorry. Mommy? Sorry.
Alright, clean it up with that stuff. Glug on it.
What?
I got 2 jugs of this stuff.
Oh.
Did you shake it? You didn't shake it, did you?
No. What
Yeah, rub that stuff in. It's liquid sandpaper. Hey Siri, pause that music, we're gonna get copyrighted. Alright, got Russ doing his light coat strokes. Decided to do the center caps this blue color, but with the black undertone, I don't know if it's gonna show up. This paint is like super thin. Watch you, cricket. Watch you, coffee. it scuffed up with the Scotch-Brite. Gonna hit it with a degreaser and be ready to paint. This guy got the disc brakes, dude. I guess we should paint the whole thing silver and then we can do it on the other side. What the fudge are you lifting up on?
I don't know. Is it bad?
It's moving something and not the car. Oh, you're on the muffler. Well, lack of muffler, you're on the exhaust pipe.
Still on the pipe?
Yeah.
What the hell? Do I need to be, dude?
Somewhere but there.
Just trying to get where I need to go, man.
Russell dropped it on the jack stand before I was freaking done. We gotta get the center cap on, it'll be the final piece. I really hope we can put the center cap on without taking the wheel off again. What's wrong with the Taco Bell?
I've never, ever had issues with Taco Bell.
Oh, it's coming towards me. Oh, holy frick. I'm gonna drop it on its nuts.
And then they got rid of the quesarito. And then you know what happened?
Yeah. What? You had to start getting the actual beef crap?
I actually understand the stereotype.
Yeah, it's the beef. It's pink slime.
Biff. Coming out like bow.
All right, get the center cap. Let's put this on and finish it up.
Why does it still look the same?